In this video I will talk about the basics of web hosting and talk about some projects with the Raspberry Pi. Start by creating a new file. Call this website.py. Here we will import the Flask library. We start by creating an app. And just for the basics, I will add an integer. We need to create different routes. These will hold all our functionalities. So we create a function. This function will hold some basic functionalities to show a string value on our website. This step will be necessary for running the Flask file. I will put a link in the description for all the information for Flask. Now you can run the Python file. If it's all good, you can see the website is now running on the IP it's given. Because we are running on a static and fixed IP, we have to go to the IP of the Raspberry Pi. As you can see, we now have a connection. So go to the route you just created. This will be the /home. Here you can see the X value we just returned. Now you can see how easy it is to set up a website on your local Raspberry Pi. Now you can start by adding more routes and more functionalities to your website. Now we can use the GPIO pins with our website. Check out my previous video on how to use the GPIOs on your Raspberry Pi. We start by creating a new folder, Projects. In this folder we create another folder, Templates. This will hold all our HTML files. So create a new HTML file and throw in the basics. I also will add in a title and a button. I will use this button to toggle a LED in real life. Now head back to the project folder and create a new Python file. Here we will add all the basics again with new functionalities like render template, redirect and URL for. Now we also need to use the GPIO library and create a new app again. We define our LED. Choose a set mode and put the LED as output. Now I will create a new route. And I will render our template we just created. To make a request, we need to make a post and in the function we will put the LED on high or low when the button is pressed. Don't forget to clean up all the GPIO pins and make them available again. Now you can run the file and debug everything. After all the mistakes are cleaned up, you can visit the local IP address again . As you can see now, the GPIO addresses are already in use, because the script didn't run completely and wasn't able to clean up all the pins. So we have to reboot our Raspberry Pi before running the code again. Now we rebooted our Raspberry Pi and now everything will be set. Because our debug is on, we can now see a different screen that helps finding our errors. This is the power of Flask to create very fast and strong websites and web applications. You can use this method in different ways. You can create local shopping lists, you can use it as your own server. The Raspberry Pi brings a lot of possibilities. As you can see, everything is loaded and we can toggle on the lid with the press on a button on a website. To show the action, I will put a print statement between every action. Make sure to try it out for yourself and let me know in the comments what you did with the end result. Let me know what you want to see in the next video, and please like and subscribe to show your support. And as always, all scripts will be available on Clipcourse.
Visit clipcourse.dev and navigate to the tutorial section in the category list. You'll discover all our tutorials along with the accompanying files available for free and secure download with just one click.